why does the Hindu cultural preference find it so difficult to find the acceptance in policy? Why don't we have policy currency for our cultural priorities? And that is, I think, a function of two things. If we were to pare it down to its basics, it's a function of demand and supply. On one hand, in a very systematic and intentional way, we've been decoupled from our own thought mores. Right? We are not, we are having to reclaim simply because we have never been informed about who we are in the way that we understand ourselves civilizationally. Right? You call it education, you call it pop culture, you call it influence of modernity, whatever you call it, but there is a dissonance. Right? But we are also going through a time, like I said, when meaning making has been taken away from the collective and over indexed on the individual. And this is a psychological rewiring.